Guess what we just got in the mail, everybody? Our 100,000 subscriber button plaque. Thank you to all of you who have helped us reach this milestone. Whether you're new to the channel, you've been loyal to us, been around for years, commenting on all our videos, liking our videos, watching them all, thanks so much. Hope you've learned some things about installations and about all the new products that come out for car audio and car video. This is an awesome accomplishment for us. It took us a lot of work to get here, so thanks again. We've been brainstorming ways to get more content to you guys out there, different forms of content rather than just car audio, car video things. We just launched a new YouTube channel last week called QMV Fast Tech. This channel will focus mostly on technical videos, installation stuff, wiring. Like for example, we just did a video on a time delay relay, how to wire one. For all you engineering, techie, wiry people, this will be perfect for you to follow. We're only 2 videos in, but we're gonna try to get at least 1 or 2 every week up on that channel as well. But in the meantime, let's do some top comments. It's been a while. Michael Aranda, the 80s called and they want your hair back. Word to your mother. Also, Robert Van Hoy, dude, that hair, reminds me of someone famous in the early 90s. You guys are just jealous that I only let your mother run her fingers through this luscious hair. Say hi to both of them for me, alright? Unfortunately, I think this is an actual question. The Weird Man Daniel. Is it possible to connect a kicker subwoofer without an amp straight to your laptop? What do you think, your MacBook's putting out 500 watts of RMS of power? Are you f***ing kidding me? It's a laptop. You need an amplifier to give your subwoofer power. It's not a Bluetooth speaker. It's a f***ing subwoofer. Jesus f***ing Christ. What, are you just gonna plug your subwoofer into your aux port? I get questions like this all the time. Car subwoofers are designed for cars. Get a f***ing home theater speaker. Jesus Christ. On one of our modular Pioneer stereo videos, Harl's 5000 Chem Betrayals wrote, and this weenie is paid by Panasonic, so don't expect an unbiased review. Panasonic, you think Panasonic's paying us to make videos? For your information, Harl's, on about 99% of the videos we make, we buy the product. So we bought those modular stereos full price from Pioneer. And then we use the man hours of our company to make the videos for ourselves, for you guys, and it was an unbiased review. We talked about the pros and cons. Maybe watch the whole video before you try to call us out on something. Harl's. And who says weenie anymore? Was this like a 1990s fat kid camp? You're probably a counselor. Mr. Funkington, another cheesy narrator voice. Dude, be yourself. I couldn't make it through 3 minutes. Just be yourself, man. Come on, James, be yourself. Trust me, bud, you don't want me to be myself. You just wake up in the morning to me making coffee for your mother. On a power acoustic subwoofer video we made in 2017, Raymond Chow wrote, you gaining weight, bro. Need to eat clean, my dude. How else am I supposed to get these gains, Raymond Chow? Track Rekka 007. Pretty much the worst video ever. Thanks, baby. Okay, James Bond. You should probably stop playing Goldeneye on your Nintendo 64 in your mother's basement. I think I can hear her calling you up for macaroni and cheese dinner. Say hello for me, alright? T-Bone / Side of Life. This is awesome. Tell your mom I'll be installing something else this weekend as well. Oh, dude, she was telling me about you and your extra thin 22 gauge wire. 420 port kid. My mom is big, loud, and heavy. That's probably why Boston Jim like her the most. You know me so well, bud. I need some meat, man. You gotta grab onto something. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for videos coming this week. Check out the old ones you haven't watched yet. Thank you again for everyone who helped support us and subscribe to our channel. All of our loyal subscribers, you know who you are. We know who you are. Thank you so much. If you're new here, then subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hate it. Leave your comments below. Join the conversation. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com and get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for stuff in the bio below. And last but not least, say hello to your mother for me.